Starting tomorrow, people suffering from a mental health crisis will have an easier way to reach out for help. They'll be able to call or text 988 instead of the 1-800 suicide prevention hotline. Ashlyn Webb explains how the new system will work and what community leaders are saying about it.
It's as easy as dialing 911. Beginning Saturday, you can simply call or text 988 any day of the week, any time of the day to be connected with counselors for mental health concerns and crises.
A lot of people have these same concerns, and so I'm glad you called today.
This is really a game changer.
Shannon Gordon, CEO of River Edge Behavioral Health in Macon, says the new National Suicide and Crisis Hotline is easier to remember than the current 11-digit 1-800 hotline.
But every time I need to refer somebody, I have to look up the number because it's a 1-800 number and I have to remember the whole thing. 988 is easy to remember.
She says the goal is to make 988 as easy to remember and dial as 911.
Nobody thinks about call 911 anymore. When somebody's in physical health crisis or whatever, people automatically know what to do. And that's what 988 is going to do for us.
And hopefully this easier to remember hotline will make a more effective lifeline for those in crisis. This new national initiative is rolling out as the suicide rate in both Macon-Bibb County and Houston County are higher than the national and state average of about 13 suicides per 100,000 people. In 2021, 29 people committed suicide in Bibb County and at least 27 in Houston County. Another goal of the new number is to lessen the burden on 911 centers and law enforcement. Coroner James Williams says that last year, law enforcement in Houston County responded to 575 suicidal calls, and so far this year, 332 calls.
It's alarming. Suicide is something that it can be preventable if the signs are seen by family members or friends.
Again, that 988 hotline launches Saturday. The 11-digit suicide prevention hotline, 1-800-273-8255, will still be available. Reporting in Macon, Ashlyn Webb, 13 WMAZ News.
All right, thank you, Ashlyn. According to CBS News, the 11-digit National Suicide Prevention Hotline takes in more than 3 million calls and messages a year. With the new 3-digit number, volume is expected to more than double by this time next year.